Photosynthesis. So photo and synthesis. Now, if we break this word up into two parts, we can figure out what it means. So photo means light, L-I-G-H-T. And then synthesis means to put together, meaning that plants put together their own food with the use of light. All right, so we know that one thing that a plant needs to make its food already would be, right, L, and lift it just a little higher, I, good. Almost there, G, then a little higher, one off. Just raise your arm a little bit, raise that elbow, pick that elbow up, you're almost there. Lift it just a little higher, L-I-G, then, good, H, and pull it down this way to finish it. There we go, there's that arm moving, light. So it's gonna need light, and that's the first ingredient that plants need to make their own food. So there are three total things. First one, light from the sun, sunlight, L-I-G-H-T. Then the second thing will be water. And the third is a gas called carbon dioxide. We'll talk about all of these things individually. So, in order to make this food, plants need all of these ingredients inside of themselves. So it's going to need to absorb, A-B-S-O-R-B, absorb the materials first. That would be step one. So to absorb just means to take in. So to get it from the outside of the plant to the inside. So I'm going to draw this right here. I'll just make this little plant. And then this is the ground, and then the roots down here. All right, so the first step would be to take in the materials, and the word that I used for that was, let's see, was it? I'll give you some choices. Was it to retreat or to absorb? Let's see, the first step would be, good, lift that pencil. Good, 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 keep going. Almost there, lift it real high. A, and then B, 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 lift it. B, A, B, sorb. Keep that elbow going down. Orb. O, very nice. One over. And B. So we're going to pick that elbow up, lift it up real high. Keep it going. There. B, absorb. So the first step is to absorb. So we need to know how these materials get from the outside environment into the plant itself. Now the first one we're going to talk about is how sunlight is absorbed by a plant. So this light that the plant needs is going to come from the S. Good. And keep moving it. S and all the way down. S. And then we can also use these just to practice with, since we're just warming up. Then, that's right, up, and I'll give you this one right here. Now what we can practice is moving from this side of the board to this side of the board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it feels to move from S to U on your own, and then you can do the whole one, and then U. So we're going to have to make a big movement, and all the way down there, from S to U, S to U. So from S and all the way down there, U and That's much better, so we can get it in one go. All right, so the sunlight is going to be, I'll draw a sun in here, going directly down to the plant, and it's going to have to be absorbed by a special chemical. There's a chemical in the plant, and this chemical is called chlorophyll. C-H-L-O-R-O-P-H-Y-L-L, chlorophyll. Now this chlorophyll is going to do two things. Number one, it's going to, like I said, absorb the sunlight. The second thing that it's going to do is going to give the plant its green color. Okay, so if I were to ask you why this plant is green, you could say because of, let's see, Good, we'll move that hand. Good, keep going. Here, I'll give you this one. That was a good try. Out there. All right, we'll use this one. Good, C, and that's much better. H. Good, C and H. Then L, very nice. O, good, keep it moving, This way. R, L-O-R, chlor. One off. O, P, H, that's good. Do you remember how to spell it? Y, or L, sorry. L, whoops. I'm sorry, I gave you the wrong stencil, that was my fault. C-H-L-O-R-O-P-H. And then, I definitely told you the answer, giving you the wrong one. Y. And then L-L, that was nice. That was a long word, so it was good tolerance spelling a longer word like that. All right, so chlorophyll is this chemical. It's very important, and it's going to help take in that sunlight. Then the next thing we talked about on the list was a gas. And this gas is called carbon dioxide, C-A-R-B-O-N, and dioxide, D-I-O-X-I-D-A. So this carbon dioxide is going to be in the air all around us. And we're going to talk about how that carbon dioxide gets into the air. So if I were to ask you what carbon dioxide is, you could say this is A, G, good. A, and that's nice moving, S, a gas. Carbon dioxide would be a type of gas. Okay. Now, when we breathe, humans or living things, we're going to talk about breathing. We also breathe in the air, and we breathe in a gas that we need to survive. Okay, I think we talked about this. So if I were to ask you what gas we need to survive, you could say N. Okay, N, O, T, O, okay, S, good. And then move it down, all the way down. That's a okay answer. S-U-R, and we'll do a quick review. Good, lift it a little higher. S-U-R, and that's okay too. We'll just do a mini review. Not sure. So when we breathe in, the air that we breathe in, we need oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen, to survive. So we'll go ahead and we'll spell it on these 3 stencils, and then we can practice moving around on this 26-letter stencil for a little bit more practice. Good. Yeah, touch it. O, and X, Y, 2 on here, G, then all the way over, E, and we'll finish it on here. And so now we're going to do that same one just on here. This is a skill just to learn how to move a little bit more smoothly on this 26-letter board. All right, so we're going to do that same word, oxygen, just moving a little bit on here because you have to go all over the board for this word. So we'll spell that word oxygen just on here. Same one, O. Over here, O, X, pull it down, good, I, good, Gen. So pull it all the way up, that's nice moving. J, then E, keep it going this way. E and N, there, that's very nice, oxygen. All right, now, when we breathe in oxygen, but then the air that we breathe out is a little bit different. The air that we breathe out is carbon dioxide. So when we breathe out, we're actually helping another living thing that we talked about. So we're actually helping, which living thing? Let's see. I'll give you this one right here. That was a good try. You can always start on this one and then move. Yeah, go ahead. P and L. And can finish on here. So we gotta lift that hand real high, all the way up. A, good. N,